fans, today's the day. We've got an epic unboxing featuring two of the most iconic and badass characters in the game, Deadpool and Wolverine. Will this be the ultimate collector's item or just another meh merch? Stick around as we break the seal, check out the details, and see if these figures live up to the hype. Alright, let's check this out. Deadpool action figure. Let's see what's inside. And here's the figure itself. The classic red and black suit, plenty of details in the design. The textures on the suit, the utility belt, everything looks solid. Along with the figure, here's what's included. A stand, a sword and knife, 2 alternate sets of eyes, and 2 extra pairs of hands for different poses. The weapons have a nice sculpt, and the extra hands add some flexibility for display options. Here's a full look at the figure. The proportions are well done, and the articulation seems decent. The overall suit design stays true to the character's classic look. Looking closer, you can see the detailing on the mask and torso. The belt has some sharp sculpting, and the holsters for the weapons fit in well with the design. Lower down, the boots and knee pads match the overall rugged look. The paint job is clean with no noticeable flaws. Next, let's take a look at this Wolverine action figure. Time to open it up and see what's inside. Here he is, the one and only Wolverine. The classic yellow and blue suit, sharp details on the mask, and a solid build. The colors are bold, and the sculpt captures the character's rugged look. Along with the figure, there's a stand, a pair of claws, and 2 extra sets of hands. The claws have a sleek metallic finish, and the extra hands allow for different posing options. Here's a full look at the figure. The costume design sticks to the classic Wolverine style. The articulation looks decent, making it easy to pose in different ways. Zooming in, you can see the details on the mask, the muscular sculpt, and the textures on the suit. The belt and shoulder pads add to the overall look. Lower down, the boots and leg design match the rest of the costume. The paint application is clean and the figure has a sturdy feel. here they are, Deadpool and Wolverine side by side. Two very different personalities, but both built for battle. The contrast is pretty clear. Deadpool's tactical look with all the pouches and weapons, and Wolverine's classic no-nonsense suit. Both have a strong presence, whether standing still or mid-action. The details hold up well on both. The sculpting, the colors, the small design elements, they all come together to capture the character's signature looks. Two of the most badass Marvel characters in one unboxing doesn't get better than this. But now, I want to hear from you. Which figure is your favorite? Are you Team Deadpool or Team Wolverine? If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic collectibles, and I'll see you in the next one.